Hello everyone. So for making oats upma we will need oats 1.5 cup, and for that I have used this measuring cup which says 1 cup or 16 tablespoon. I am saying this because we will need to add water accordingly, so keep this measurement in mind. And the rest ingredients which we will need are onions. Here I have taken 2 medium sized onions chopped, 10 to 15 curry patta, 4 or 5 green chilies chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped, and 1.5 inch of ginger chopped. These are the basic ingredients. Also I have taken 1 medium sized carrot chopped. These are the basic ingredients. The rest things we will see as we start cooking. So at first we need to dry roast the oats. So we will dry roast the oats for around 1 minute, like so, and then we will proceed to the cooking. So we are coming back after 1 minute after just dry roasting the oats in medium flame. As you can see here, it's medium flame. So after 1 minute the dry roasting is done, and now we will proceed to making the upma. So I have taken a karai. So in this karai I will add mustard oil around 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoon. This much is sufficient for making the upma. Let it get heated up. And in it we will add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. And we will saute it till it becomes light brown in color. See, the color has started changing. See, the color has started changing. And now in it we will add, keep the flame to minimum, and we will add hing powder. Not much, just a little bit. And fry it. To that we will add the curry leaves. Followed by the onions. And we will fry them. Just for half a minute we need to fry the onions. To it we will add the chopped carrots. And we add a little bit of salt so that the carrot gets soft. after half a minute. So we're coming back after half a minute. Now to this we will add the chopped green ginger and we'll saute it for around half to 1 minute till the raw smell disappears in low flame. Now we will add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies one by one and we'll mix it with the other veggies very well, and then we'll add half teaspoon of salt to it so that the vegetables tenderize, and we will cover and let it cook for 1 minute. After that we are coming back. We are back after 1 minute, and as you can see the veggies have all tenderized, and now it's time to add the spices. For that we need a chili powder 1 teaspoon or more according to your taste. If you like it more spicy then add more. 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We mix it well with the veggies. Keep the flame to minimum or else the veggies and masala will get burnt. Now it's time to add the water to it, and here for 1.5 cup of oats I will add 3 cups of water. So the rule is to double the amount of water. If you take 1 cup of oats, take 2 cups of water. So I've added water and I've mixed it with the veggies, and now I will add around 1 teaspoon of salt. And we covered the gravy and let it cook for 2 minutes. We are back after 1 minute and let's see. So see, the gravy is boiling, and now we need to reduce the flame and we add the fried oats to it. And we mix it well. And do a taste check of the salt and chili. Mine is okay. I don't need salt and chili. If you need to add, then add it at this stage. And keeping the flame to minimum, we cover the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. We are back after 1 minute. And as you can see, the oats have absorbed water, but it is still a bit like this. This is the texture we need, because if it gets too thick, it won't be that enjoyable in eating. So let it be in this texture. Our OATS UPMA is almost done. Now to it we need to add just a little bit of homemade garam masala. This is the Bengali garam masala. We add it just a little bit. Switch off the flame. Also we need to add one teaspoon of ghee to it. There you go. Now we mix it well. And we cover and let it rest for 1 minute. After that it's ready to be served. A healthy and tasty oats upma is served, and believe me, you will fall in love with this recipe. I'm waiting to hear from you, and so please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and have a great time.